Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only use me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, I'm back with another unboxing for you guys, so let's just move this out the way. Let's move this one out the way, and let's get this big ass box onto this table. Now, that's why I said in the first video I did the unboxing, I said I got a big ass box, and I needed a lot of the camera room, so you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So I will be selling shirts and hats that will be saying bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. I'm getting the virals and the stuff done for it, so I'm still picking out how I want it, because I do want a little bit of cartoony wise. I don't know if I'm going to use this bat knife. I might have an actual Batman thing, have a little cartoon wise. I'm not completely sure how I'm going to do it, but yeah. Let's get into this package. Okay. So here we go right here. This is for the Tower 600. Now y'all know I have the Tower 600 and bubble pink. What I wanted to do was I wanted to do a mix match. So here's the part right here for the pink part of it for the Tower 600. As you can see, it's pink and blue. I wanted to do a mix match because I do have another one on its way. Should be here Friday. The one that was sent out to me was from ThermalTake. This was this one. I told them I didn't really want this one. I mean, not this one, but I didn't want the pink one. So I wanted to just do a mix match on top of it. So I got this one right here. So let's open this bad boy up. We do need the bat knife real quick. Doesn't matter which side we open it with. There we go. There we go right there. Is there any more tape? Nope. Okay. Ooh, it smells like a new car. Yo, that smell good. I ain't gonna cap, that smell good. That really smell good. Like new leather interior smell. That smell good. I ain't gonna front. I ain't gonna cap. Is there anything else inside this thing? I know it's the legs. Okay, yeah, the bottom part. Go, and that should be all of it. Yep, that's all of it right there. Just try not to drop this on the floor because that's where it's going. This is plastic. You know how plastic gets. Plastic don't like to stay on one spot. Okay, let's get these legs over real quick. They gave your boy a lot of bags. Okay. There we go. There. ThermalTake. Okay, buddy. And the top part right here, well, this is the bottom part. Well, the side part. I might get another one and get it in pink, and I still got to get the LCD screen, so I'm waiting for them to send me the LCD screen and pink. I'm waiting for them to send me both of them, so one is going to be pink and the other one's going to be blue. Like I said, I want the mix match one. My personal one, I want it as a mix match. I want it blue and pink. So this part's going to be, this part right here is going to be freaking blue. Then this part right here, I want this part to still be, I want this part to be blue, have the LCD screen right there, because the other part of the grill is still going to be pink. So I want this part blue, got the LCD screen on top of it. I got some other modifications I'm going to have coming very soon. So yeah, just got to deal with that. And who is at my door? I have more packages come in. Yay, more packages. So how does this go? I believe it goes this way. Why am I tripping? I'm tripping. Okay, so I think it goes like this. I'm not 110% sure. Yeah, it goes like this. Okay, there we go. And then you're supposed to hear a snap, a click, which I already think it snapped and clicked. Yes, it did. So that one is already in place. Okay, and there we go. The ones are down. Yeah, they're both in place. So basically, it's gonna be like that. You put the case on top of it, which this is on this side like that. So basically, it's gonna rest like that. I wonder, can you put it like this, or let it rest like this? I wonder. Is it possible? I don't know. I'm trying to see if maybe if I can just keep it like this and have it raised up like that, have it on the leaning part like that. I wonder. Maybe, I don't know. I will have to test that out and see. All right, guys, here's the case right here. The stand, here's the top part for the stand right here. So we're just gonna, I guess, I have no idea how to put this right now. Like right there. I guess like that. All right, there we go, right there. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces, wong.